Raymond,
Hey,
what are you doing over there?
I'm here. Wake up.
It's early.
Yeah, I cook lechon chicken
For-
for you.
For breakfast?
Yeah,
All right. How'd you sleep, bro?
at least good like aircon.
Like aircon. Raymond's sleeping in the new Baha'i. And Francis and Daniel slept in there too. We got our own little living room out here. I'm gonna put my shoes on and see what Raymond's up to. Thanks for being my alarm clock in the morning, Raymond.
Teach you how to survive the jungle.
All right. Oh, man, I need a helmet.
Oh.
I better step back. Good work, man.
Teach you how to burn fire.
To burn fire?
Yeah.
But without matches?
Yeah, that much is input.
So without matches, how do you do that in the wild? Show me how.
Yeah, no matches, so no need to go to the store.
So he's gonna teach me how to build a fire with no matches. And if you're in the jungle, and this is with bamboo.
Give me 1 minute.
All right,
1 minute, 1 minute and 1 month.
all right.
Okay?
I'm gonna go take a nap.
Yeah, see you next month.
All right. Oh, be careful, that might slide up there. Oh, excuse you.
Whoa.
Raymond. Oh. What'd you eat last night?
Fried frog.
Fried frog?
Yeah.
How come you didn't share that with me?
That's secret.
What is this secret?
Down there.
You were eating down there by yourself.
Yeah.
I was wondering where you went for 45 minutes last night. I thought the toilet smelled like frogs this morning.
Divide to 2.
Alright.
You make a hole. We use what's it, old.
Use an old saw?
Yeah.
New ones won't work for this?
Yeah.
Alright. So where do you pick up an old saw if you don't have one? Can they come borrow yours?
Yeah.
Alright.
Maybe 40 years old.
40 years old?
40 years old and 11 months.
Oh wow. Almost 41.
Done. And old one, 100 years old.
100 years old, wow. How do you tell how old it is?
Okay.
Alright, very nice.
Give me 10 seconds.
10 seconds?
Yeah.
Alright.
To burn fire.
Alright, let's see if you can do that in 10 seconds.
10 seconds and 2 years.
2 years, alright. By then, I think I'll be really hungry.
Yeah. Position. Ready?
Alright.
Go.
Okay, so the notch you made is on this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Count 1 up to 10
Okay.
and 2 years.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and a quarter,
Give me 2 years.
9 and a half, 9 and 3/4.
Advertisement.
And we'll be back after these commercials.
Put your hand here.
I'll put my hand here.
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow.
See you later.
I'll see you later.
See you later. No mud.
No match. Can you do this, Francis? Do you know how?
Yeah.
Nice. So you get a good grip on it.
Yeah.
Put that little notch right there.
Oops. Where's the hole? Where's the hole? Hole like
That's always a problem.
slowly. Slowly.
Like this?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Three? Uh-huh.
Like that. 1, 2, 3. Be careful. No egg at the store. How many eggs at the store?
I saw a dozen the other day.
No egg there. Hey,
Hey.
hello egg.
Hey, get
Oh,
away!
you're there.
Get away from my eggs.
Hey bro.
They are not for sale.
Hey.
Hey,
Oh.
can I go faster?
Faster, faster. Faster.
I thought you said this is gonna take 10 seconds.
Yeah, 10 seconds and 2 years. I told you. Wow, almost there, almost there, almost there. Faster. 5 seconds. Almost there. Go ahead, go, 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 go. Continue, continue. Yeah, brilliant mind. Woo. Yeah, hey bro. Twinkle, 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 little star. In the rap style. Twinkle, twinkle, little. Oh, oh, wow, wow. Right there. Oh, 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 almost there, bro. 1 minute and 2 days.
Dude, dude, my arms, I can't even move them anymore.
Stop.
That was way longer than 10 seconds. I think I just want to eat the chicken raw. This is not easy work.
Yeah.
Wow. You got any gasoline we can put on that?
Man. Bro.
I smell it.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Don't stop.
Yeah.
It's smoking. Raymond, you're almost there, buddy. Keep going. You got this. Fight through the pain. Go, 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 go. Raymond, Raymond, Raymond. Wow. Want me to take over?
Almost there. Look. Almost there, bro. Wow. Wow, brilliant mind. Yeah. Woo! Good job. Brilliant mind. Oh, look. Say something, bro.
Oh, I can't see it.
Can I help you?
All right, go.
You. Tell me if you're tired. Tell me. Take over.
I go.
1, 2, 3 like that. 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 1, 2, 3 like you. Careful. Come on to the store.
Kuatog sili dong. Oh, anak obos. Anak naik kahoy.
Spicy.
Ooh, spices. Nice. Pepper.
Sabuyas.
And next is sibuyas, onion.
Salt.
Salt. Soy sauce.
Silver salt. Are you ready?
All right.
Ready.
Now we're just waiting on the fire. Raymond is working really, really hard. You don't need to go to the gym for like 3 months after this.
Look, my arm.
Wow, dude. Take your time, bro. There's no rush. If you want to take a break, we can always eat in 2 weeks. I should be really skinny by then. There's no better diet than no eating.
Yeah.
We got a little pot there. I think we're gonna stick it in. I'm not sure exactly what the plan is. Raymond never tells me what he's planning to do. I just go along with it. Francis! Wow, look at them shoes. Those are nice. We got those with some of the donation money that we received. How do you like them?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
They look good on you, man. Very cool. All right, Pedro. Nice. And there's the top, the cover. Very nice. Now we just need fire.
Fire.
Meet Coffee, everybody. Hello, Coffee. Bro. Oh, Raymond's got smoke. Oh, yeah. Keep going, bro. All right.
Palayo lang ba? Dire. Ano ba?
Tiga yan. Magpanas kayo. Nabungkag.
Yeah.
Yan lang.
Yeah, I've never been so happy to see a flame.
Yeah!
Yeah!
2 days and 1 year.
Yeah!
2 days and 1 year.
Love you. I think I lost about 20 pounds.
2 days and 1 year, bro.
How do you feel, Raymond? That's the fire dance. Raymond, do you have a TikTok? Everyone wants to sign up and see you dance every day. Wouldn't you guys love to see this every single day? Man.
No, wait.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh.
Why are you unzipping your pants?
I am surprised.
A surprise? I don't want to know you're surprised. Oh my god. What's a surprise?
Turn up your camera.
It's Steve Urkel.
My son, very good.
Yeah, he's very good. You should be proud.
Bala, bro.
He's definitely unique.
Bro. Bala, matay. Basta insert. Oh. Insert kayo.
Insert kayo. Man, you better be careful. Your butthole's gonna eat your pants.
I give you 5 seconds. 5 seconds and 5 minutes.
Alright.
Ready? Up a little bit. Look your egg there. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Sure?
yeah. I might have to censor
Turn around. I can see your egg. Tick tock tick. Oh, insert kayo. Insert kayo. Bro, say insert kayo.
Insert kayo.
Yeah. Bala, matay, basta insert.
Batam kaya and salute. Alright, so we're gonna start that around the chicken and then we'll come back a little later. But thank God we got that fire going. Man, that is awesome. Good job, Raymond and Pedro and Francis. I did a little bit, but they did most of the work. Francis just got a whole bunch of coconuts. Thanks, man. Nice. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. Do you know that song? Do you know Johnny Cash? The Ring of Fire. Johnny Cash is a legend, man. He's one of my idols.
No.
Yeah, so we got the, it's already getting hot in there. Wow, it's really hot in there. Yeah. So no need to turn it. You just put it in there. We'll take a little peek in there. Yummy. Man, that's gonna be good. And Pedro's gonna put all these coconuts around it. How long do you think it'll take? Like
Maybe
3 days?
Maybe 1 hour.
1 hour? All right, not 3 days?
1 hour and 3 weeks.
Pedro has the ring around the fire.
Yeah,
So we're starting the clock right now. He says it'll take about 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
All right. So we'll see this in 35 minutes.
Yeah. See you later.
Here's the part we all been waiting for. Yummy.
Good.
Wow. Dude, that looks delicious.
Paig na.
Oh, thanks.
No.
It's a potato chip. Oh, it's dripping, man. That looks delicious.
Yeah.
Let's get this on a plate and eat it. Mmm. It is super hot, man.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you, the donator.
Yeah. We couldn't get these without the donation, so thank you very much. We really appreciate it. It's really, really delicious. Lamit kayo.
Easy to cook, bro. After that.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. You just got to get a fire and get that little tin container and put a stick down in there. And you just let it cook until it's done. There's like nothing you have to do. Alright, here's my favorite part of the day.
Unique style.
Unique style.
Philippines. Pedro.
I think it's the best style. That is delicious. That skin is so crispy and juicy and delicious.
hungry.
You're hungry? Yeah, we've been waiting for a while for this.
Look at chicken. Hungry, look at chicken.
Looking at that chicken is making us hungry. That looks delicious. Richie, are you hungry?
Yeah.
All right. You can have some, only if there's some left after we eat it.
I wash my hands yesterday.
At least with the plastic bags, it doesn't matter when you wash your hands.
Right?
All right, here's the neck. The neck is really good. I think no matter what part you eat, I'm gonna say it's really good. Oh, no meal's complete without rice. Thank you. Salamat. Wow. I could eat this for every meal. And this is our breakfast. It's like, what is it, 9 a.m.? 8:30 a.m.? We woke up like at 5:30. Oh, great. What part of the chicken is that?
Parasite.
The parasite. Oh, man. Now that's what you call a kitchen knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, man. I'm getting wet over here. That's my favorite piece right there. That is so juicy. That's so good. I'm surprised how well it's cooked so evenly. The inside to the outside. The skin is crispy and delicious, and the inside is just the same and juicy.
Yeah. About soy sauce, what? You like soy sauce?
No, thank you. I like it just like this.
Oh, you like skin?
Right.
Yeah, I love skin. Thank you.
So, this for you. Chicken's butt.
Ah, the chicken butt.
Itong bata oh, ato.
Brad, iba tang ari?
Raymond always gives me the chicken butt to eat.
Chicken.
Those are tiny.
Ako.
Mo
I get
tuloy
both of
mo
them.
kanulan mo katusok mo tuloy kanulan mo to.
Chicken eggs. Francis, is it good?
Asa tubig na mo ko to? Ako.
Ikaw mo dyan, pwede ako.
Dong ano dong?
Great job, Pedro. This is delicious.
Pedro and Dustin and Raymond.
Did you want to go with us if we go hand out food today? It's up to you.
Except for Raymond.
It's up to you.
Raymond will say, don't go. Oh,
Go with us.
oh Nini, oh.
Go with us? Yeah. Raymond loves you. He wants you to go everywhere with him.
Yeah.
He wants to start hanging out with you more
Teach us
every day.
how to shopping.
Unaw ka? Dito.
I'm gonna eat that little piece of garlic.
It.
Yeah, that piece of garlic. That looks good.
Pero iya man ba ahos daw iya Brad?
Hey,
Ano ba ka to?
well, hold on. Left hands?
Left hand.
Left hands.
Cheese.
Ano mo? Ito iya ha.
Cheers.
Ahos iya ha.
Oh, taste?
Cheese. Cheese part.
Good.
What is this?
Cheese part. Hang on.
The tits part?
Cheese.
Chest.
Oh, the chest.
Yeah.
I thought you said tits.
This is cheese part.
A cheese part.
You're so cheesy.
Yeah.
That really goes quick. It was delicious though.
More?